hearts entwined, your spirit shines, a love divine. Through every trial, we stand tall. Together, my love, we can conquer all. Our bond, a tapestry woven tight, a powerful force, our guiding light. The whispers may linger, doubts may rise. What matters is us beneath the sky. Our sun, a mirror of our shared embrace, a testament to love, a sacred space. In laughter and joy, in tears that fall, we build a haven, a refuge for all. And as for the kiss from my mother's heart, a gesture of love, a gentle part, no doubts in her eyes, just warmth to share. She cherishes you with tender care. As we strive to forge our empire true, know that my heart is steadfast with you. Each step we take with purpose and grace, together we'll flourish in this beautiful place. Thank you, my partner, my confidant, dear, in this journey of life. I hold you near with all of my love. I promise to stand hand in hand